Hello everyone, so for today's video is we will be giving you an update about the romaine that we planted last month. So this is it guys, ito na po yung ating mga romaine after 1 month. So as you can see, they have grown taller and pwede na rin po silang ma-harvest. Pero di muna natin siya harvestin, palalakin pa natin siya at patatabahin. So, ito po yung iba. Nilagay po natin siya sa container para naman maiba. So, ito yung mga natirang hindi po natin na-transplant sa ating garden. So, ayan po siya. Malalaki, mahahaba. And, ito rin siya. Ito po yung iba. So, as you can see, they have grown healthy and taller. So, that's it. Ating update sa ating romaine plant. So, thank you for watching.